Welcome you all to the digital class of mathematics. Today in our second session of chapter number 3, playing with numbers, we will be discussing about prime numbers, composite numbers, even and odd numbers, and then exercise 3.2 questions. Now let's see first what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers that have only two factors, 1 and itself. Again, prime numbers are the numbers that have only two factors, 1 and itself. 1 and itself means 1 and the number itself. So those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, these numbers are called prime numbers. So few examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So why 2 is a prime number? If I ask why 2 is a prime number? Because it has only two factors, 1 and 2. That means 1 and the number itself. So what we say at the end, what are prime numbers? वो नंबर जिनके सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर्स होते हैं, 1 and the number itself. मतलब या तो वो नंबर 1 के टेबल में आता है या वो नंबर खुद के टेबल में आता है, तो वो नंबर आपका प्राइम नंबर होता है. अगर वो नंबर किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता एक्सेप्ट 1 and the number itself, then that number is called a prime number. Now let's see what are composite numbers then. Composite numbers are the numbers that have more than two factors, जिनके दो से ज़्यादा factors होते हैं. इसका मतलब वो 1 के टेबल में तो आते ही हैं, नंबर itself मतलब खुद के टेबल में भी आते हैं और उसके अलावा भी दूसरों के टेबल में भी आते हैं, अदर टेबल्स में भी आपके पास वो आते हैं. तो वो नंबर्स आपके क्या होते हैं? कंपोजिट नंबर्स. जैसे इफ आई सी 4 इज अ कंपोजिट नंबर. व्हाई? बिकॉज 4 1 के टेबल में भी आता है, 4 2 के टेबल में भी आता है, 4 4 के टेबल में भी आता है. So that is why 4 is a composite number. Let's see other examples of composite number. 6, 8, 9, 12, 14. These all are composite number. So there is one thing which is very important, students. 0 and 1. ये दो नंबर ना ही प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं और ना ही कंपोजिट नंबर्स होते हैं. 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite, क्योंकि 0 सिर्फ 0 के टेबल में आएगा and 1 1 के टेबल में आता है, right? So 0 and 1, they both are neither prime nor composite number. So if I ask about what is the smallest prime number, if 0 and 1 they both are neither prime nor composite, so smallest prime number कौन सा हुआ? 2, right? And remember one thing, 2 is the only even prime number. What I am saying, 2 is the only even prime number. इसका मतलब है 2 एक इकलौता ऐसा प्राइम नंबर है जो कि एक इवन नंबर है. बाकी सारे इवन नंबर्स प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं होते एक्सेप्ट 2. Now let's see what are even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers, we know that if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, मतलब किसी नंबर के लास्ट डिजिट अगर 0 है, 2 है, 4 है, 6 है, 8 है, तो वो नंबर आपके सारे क्या होते हैं? इवन नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4, 56, 730, these are even numbers. Now what are odd numbers? Odd number means if a number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these numbers are called odd numbers. For example, 9, 83, 641. Now let's see exercise 3.2. First question. What is the sum of any two odd numbers? Again, what is the sum of any two odd numbers? Means we need to find out if we are adding two odd numbers, the resultant number will be an even number. The resultant number will be an even number. For example, if you take any two odd numbers, if I take 5 is an odd number and 3 is also an odd number. So if I add 5 plus 3, कितना हुआ? 8. So 8 क्या है आपका? Even number. So that means अगर आप कोई भी दो odd numbers लो, जैसे आपने लिया 11 और 9. 11 और 9 दोनों odd numbers हैं. If you add them, what is the sum? 20. Again an even number. So that means when you are adding two odd numbers, the answer will always be an even number. Now, what is the sum of any two even numbers? That means now if you are adding two even numbers, so let us take any two even number, 12 and 4, both are even number. If I add them, what is the answer? 16. And is it an even number or a even number or an odd number? It is an even number. So that means the sum of any two even numbers will always be an even number. Okay, and the sum of any two odd numbers will always be an even number. Now let's see question number 3. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Yes, 13 and 31 prime numbers हैं, क्योंकि ये या तो ये सिर्फ 1 के टेबल में आते हैं या तो खुद के टेबल में आते हैं, right? Both these number have same digits. अगर मैं 13 और 31 के digits देखूं तो दोनों के digits same है, 1 3 और 3 1. The digits 1 है और 3 है. You have to find out such pair of prime numbers up to 100. आपको ऐसे ही prime numbers find out करने हैं, मतलब वैसे ही pair of prime numbers you need to find out up to 100, जिसमें digits same है. So if I take after 13 the next prime number, because अगर आप 11 लेते हो तो 11 का अगर आप उल्टा भी कर दो तो वो 11 ही बनेगा ना, so वो आपका पेयर तो नहीं हुआ, right? So now let's see the other one. So we have to find such pair. So let's see the first one. So if I do my rough work here and then we'll write down the fair answer here. After 13 the next prime number is 17 and 17 को रिवर्स करोगे तो कितना बनेगा? 71. तो क्या 71 प्राइम नंबर है? Yes, 71 is a prime number. So हमारा फर्स्ट पेयर कौन सा हो गया? 17 and 71. Now let's see for the next pair. The next prime number after 17 is 19 and 19 का अगर आप इन्वर्स करोगे तो वो आपका 91 हो जाएगा. डिजिट्स अगर आप इंटरचेंज करोगे 91. नाउ इज 91 अ प्राइम नंबर? 91 अ प्राइम नंबर? नो, बिकॉज 91 आपका 13 के टेबल में आता है. सो 91 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. आफ्टर 19 द नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर विल बी 23, राइट? अभी जो 20s वाले नंबर है, आप जैसे ही इनका रिवर्स करोगे, इंटरचेंज करोगे डिजिट्स, तो वो हो जाएगा 32. तो 32 इवन नंबर होगा नहीं. मतलब 20s वाली आप सारी सीरीज देखोगे, जैसे आपने नेक्स्ट नंबर लिया 29, 92 इवन नंबर, दैट मीन्स नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. उसके बाद हम आते हैं 30s की लाइन पे. सो द 30s में फर्स्ट नंबर आपका होता है 31. 31 का अगर आप रिवर्स करोगे तो कितना बनेगा? 13. 13 और 31 आपने ऑलरेडी वो पेयर ले रखा है, so you will not take it. The next will be 37. The next prime number is 37 and उसका रिवर्स करो तो बनेगा 73 and they both are prime number. So we get the pair here as 37 and 73. Now the next is after 37 आपका 30s की लाइन में कोई नहीं है. Then next come to 40s. 40s की लाइन के जितने भी प्राइम नंबर होंगे, जैसे आप उनको इंटरचेंज करोगे डिजिट्स को, तो लास्ट में 4 आना शुरू हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स वो सारे के सारे क्या हो जाएंगे? कंपोजिट नंबर, इवन नंबर हो जाएंगे आपके, राइट? तो आप 40s की लाइन कंसिडर नहीं करोगे. 50s की लाइन नहीं करोगे, क्योंकि 50 का कोई भी नंबर आप लोगे, 53, अब उसको रिवर्स करो तो वो 35 हो गया ना, सबके लास्ट में 5 आएगा, सो अगेन नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर। सेम विथ 60s, अगर आपने 61 लिया प्राइम नंबर, उसका उल्टा 16 हो गया, इवन नंबर बन जाएगा। तो मतलब ना हम 40s देखेंगे, ना 50s, ना 60। तो नेक्स्ट लाइन कौन सी आ गई? 70s की। नाउ लेट्स सी फॉर 71। जब आपने 71 लिया तो 71 का जब आपने चेंज किया तो वो तो 17, दैट पेयर यू हैव ऑलरेडी कंसिडर 17 and 71. After 71, the next prime number is, after 71, the next prime number is, think, after 71, the next prime number is 73. तो 73 आप लेटर करोगे तो उसका रिवर्स कितना हो जाएगा? 37. ऑलरेडी आप ये पेयर ले चुके हो। आफ्टर 73, द नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 79. तो 79 का जैसे आपने रिवर्स किया तो क्या बन गया? 97. तो 97 क्या एक प्राइम नंबर है? यस. तो 97 इज अ प्राइम नंबर। तो आपका थर्ड पेयर हो गया 79 एंड 97. ऑलरेडी आप 97 तक पहुंच चुके हो। 98 is your even number, 99 is your composite number, और आपको लेस देन 100 लेना था। सो दैट मीन्स आपके पास कितने पेयर्स हुए? 3 पेयर्स हुए इन टोटल। फर्स्ट इज 17 and 71, 37 and 73, 79 and 97. Now let's see question number 4. Write down separately the prime and the composite numbers less than 20. That means आपको prime और composite numbers separately लिखने हैं less than 20. So we know that 0 and 1, they are neither prime nor composite. The next number is 2. 2 is a prime number. After 2 it's 3. 3 is a prime number. After this 4. 4 is a composite number क्योंकि वो 1 में भी आता है, 2 में भी आता है, 4 के टेबल में भी आता है. After 4, the next prime number is 5. After 5, the next number is 6. 6 is a composite number. The next number is 7. 7 is a prime number. The next number is 8. 8 is a composite number. The next number is 9. 9 is also a composite number क्योंकि वो 1, 3 और 9 के टेबल में आता है. The next is 10. Again a composite number, 1, 2 and 5. Next is 11. 11 is a prime number only in the table of 1 and 11. Next is 12. Composite number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Right? Next is 13. Prime number only in the table of 1 and 13. The next number is 14 on the table of 2, 7 and 14. The next is 15. Again a composite number because it comes in the table of 1, 3, 5 and 15. So next is 16. Again a composite number. Similarly, 17 is a prime number. 18 is a composite number. 19 is the prime number. And you have to write down less than 20. So that means you will not consider 20. So that means prime number less than 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. And composite number less than 20 are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. Now you need to write down what is the greatest prime number between 1 to 10. If I ask 1 to 10 के बीच में सबसे बड़ा prime number, so if I see 1 to 10 के बीच में सबसे बड़ा prime number, अगर ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में देख लो, so you can directly get the answer is 7. Right? Now let's see question number 6. Where you need to express the following as the sum of two odd primes. Odd prime means कि prime number भी होना चाहिए और वो number odd भी होना चाहिए. That means if you are adding two odd prime मतलब या वो number odd भी होना चाहिए, मतलब उसके पीछे या तो 1, 3, 5, 7 या 9 होना चाहिए और वो number prime भी होना चाहिए. तो उन दोनों को add करने पे 44 आए. तो ऐसा आपके पास multiple choice है. So if I consider one of my number to be 13, so 13 is a prime number and 13 is also an odd number. So what will be the other number? So for that what I can do, I can subtract 44, 44 from 13 from 44. So it will be 44 minus 13. So 44 minus 13 means 4 minus 3, 1. and 4 minus 1, 3. And 31 is also a odd number and 31 is also a prime number. So that means 44 can be written as 13 plus 31. Right? Now let's see for 36. Now you need to express 36. Similarly, you express 44. So you can take one of the odd prime number. So if I am taking one of the number to be 17, this is what I have taken. So what will be the other number? The other number will be 36 minus 17. So this will become 16 and this will become 2. 16 minus 7 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 19. So it will be 19, and a 19 is odd prime number. So 36 can be expressed as 17 plus 19. You can make other combination as well. Now let's see question number 7. Give 3 pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Again, give 3 pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. मतलब आपको दो ऐसे प्राइम 3 पेयर बताने हैं. सो दिस इज माय फर्स्ट पेयर, ओके, सेकंड पेयर एंड थर्ड पेयर. ऐसे 3 पेयर बताने हैं जिनका दो प्राइम नंबर्स के बीच का डिफरेंस कितना हो, 2. तो फर्स्ट पेयर हो गया 3 एंड 5, क्योंकि 3 एंड 5 दे बोथ आर प्राइम नंबर्स. और अगर मैं 5 में से 3 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करूं, व्हाट इज माय आंसर? 2. Similarly, you need to find out these kind of prime numbers. So let me take another one to be 11 and 13. So 13 minus 11, again 2. So another pair can be 11 and 13. And next I can take to be 29 and 31. So 31 minus 29 is again 2, and they both are prime numbers. So you can take any other combination. So this is what I have taken. You can take any other pair as well. Now let's see question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime numbers between them. Again, write 7 consecutive composite numbers. पहले तो you need to understand the meaning of consecutive. Consecutive means back to back number. Consecutive means back to back number. Back to back number is 2 का consecutive number is 3. If I talk about 7 consecutive number will be 8. If I talk about 13 consecutive number will be 40. If I talk about 20 consecutive number will be 21. मतलब 21 consecutive number, 101 consecutive number, 88 consecutive number. मतलब जो numbers एक साथ है, right? तो आपको वैसे 7 pair of consecutive composite numbers बताने हैं. मतलब back to back जहाँ पे composite numbers आ रहे हो, ऐसे 7 pairs बताने हैं less than 100, right? So that there is no prime numbers between them. So let's start making the pair. This is first, second, third. We have to write down 7, 4, 5, 6 and the 7th one. So we will write down the 7 pairs such. So the first pair, this is my choice. You can take any other number like 14 and 15. अब 14 और 15 बैक टू बैक नंबर्स हो गए, और 14 और 15 दोनों ही कंपोजिट नंबर्स हैं, राइट? दोनों ही के फैक्टर्स मोर देन 2 हैं. वैसे आप एक और पेयर बताओ. सो वी कैन टेक द पेयर 20 एंड 21, राइट? 22 की टेबल में भी, 4 की टेबल में भी, 5 की टेबल में भी, 1 की टेबल में भी, 20 के में, एंड 21, 1, 3, 7 and 21 itself. So we have to make such pairs. So we can make another pair to be like 45 and 46, right? These both are composite numbers, consecutive composite numbers. And another pair I can make is 9 and 10. 9 and 10, they both are composite numbers. The next can be 25 and 26, 48 and 49, 98 and 99. So we have to take less than 100, so you can write down any pair of number, but the consecutive composite numbers. Okay, consecutive again I am saying means back to back number, and composite numbers जिनके factors more than 2 होते हैं, जो खुद के अलावा दूसरों के टेबल में भी आते हैं. Now let's see question number 10. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. जैसे हमने previous question में 2 odd primes की तरह लिखा था, now we have to write down 21 as the sum of 3 odd primes. So if I take one of my number to be 3, another one to be 5, so 3 plus 5 कितना हो गया? 8. So now let's see what can be the third number to get the sum 21. So it can be 21 minus 8, 11 minus 8 is 3 and 13. So that means 3 plus 5 plus 13 is 21, and 3, 5 and 13 they are 3 odd prime numbers. The next one is 31. If I take my first prime number to be 11 and my second prime number to be 7, what will be the third prime number to make the sum 31? So we can add 11 and 7, that is 18, and let's subtract 31 out of it. So it will be 3 at the end, 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is here again 30. So 31 can be expressed as a sum of 11, 7 and 13. Now let's see the last question, question number 12, filling the blanks. A number which has only 2 factors is called a prime number, right? A number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. One is neither prime nor composite. One is a whole number. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest composite number is composite number. See, 0 and 1 they are neither prime nor composite. 2 is the smallest prime number. 3 is again a prime number. And 4 is the smallest composite number. The smallest even number is 2. Now students, in homework, you need to write down in your notebooks what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, what are even and odd numbers, and then you need to write down the questions of exercise 3.2 which we have discussed in the session, along with the question mentioned in the homework. The homework question are question number 2, question number 6, 8 and 11. Thank you.